Hi! In this video, I'm going to explain how to watch Channel 4 from abroad. With this method, you will be able to watch Channel 4 live in high definition. As you may already know, Channel 4 is a British TV channel. You'll find the link to this channel in the description below this video. First, you need to create an account. Don't worry, it's free. I've already created an account, so I'll log in. Done! I'm now logged in. If I try to start the stream, as you can see, I don't have access to the content. This is what we call a geo-block. I'm not in the UK, the website has detected my foreign IP address and is therefore preventing me from accessing the stream. The content broadcast by Channel 4 is normally only accessible from the UK, but there is a way to bypass this restriction and watch the channel from anywhere in the world. Before I explain how to watch Channel 4 from abroad, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications. If you enjoy this type of content, it will mean a lot to me and would help me create even more useful content. So, how can you watch Channel 4 from abroad? The answer is in one word: ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV that allows you to change your IP address. All you have to do is select the UK from the list of countries to get a British IP address and make it look like you are located in the UK. I click on the United Kingdom, then on this button. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. And there you go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the UK. My IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in the UK. I refresh the page. And there you go. I now have access to the stream, which is good quality. There is no latency. As you've seen, to watch Channel 4 from abroad, you need ExpressVPN. To give it a try, visit vpnfolio.com/express or click on the link below this video. ExpressVPN is a safe, reliable and fast VPN available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and more. It's one of the very best VPNs on the market, with thousands of servers in 105 countries, no speed limits, no bandwidth limits, a strict no-logs policy. It works very well for watching Channel 4 from abroad, as you've just seen. I showed you how to do this from a computer, but the same principle applies on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are very similar. As you can see here, ExpressVPN has servers in many countries. The UK of course, but also the US, Canada, Ireland, France, Germany, Spain, Italy and more. These are all countries from which you can make it look like you're browsing. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it only costs £2.49 per month, which is cheaper than a coffee at Starbucks. That's the equivalent of 8 pennies per day, a very low price considering all the benefits a VPN like ExpressVPN offers. Also note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, use the service for several weeks with no limitations, and then request a refund if you wish. To sum up, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to replace your IP address with a British IP address, making it look like you are in the UK. Channel 4 will then believe you are located in the UK and grant you access to its content. It's that simple. ExpressVPN also provides many other benefits, such as browsing and downloading privately, improving your connection security, bypassing censorship, accessing more content, saving money, and much more. There is no point in using free VPNs. None of them will allow you to make it look like you are in the UK, so you won't be able to watch Channel 4 with a free VPN. Free VPNs are also slow, unreliable, and don't offer good streaming quality. It's much better to take advantage of the trial offered by ExpressVPN. If ExpressVPN doesn't suit you, you can turn to NordVPN, which is also a very effective VPN for bypassing geo restrictions and watching Channel 4 from abroad. NordVPN is also a safe, reliable, and fast VPN and is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and more. They offer over 8,000 servers in 126 countries. To give it a try, visit vpnfolio.com/nord or click on the link below this video. NordVPN's price is also very low, only £2.29 per month, which comes down to just 7 pennies per day. NordVPN also offers a 30-day trial period in the form of a money-back guarantee, meaning you can use the service for several weeks with no limitations and request a refund if you wish. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You now know how to watch Channel 4 from anywhere in the world. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you liked this video and found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications. Thanks, and see you next time.